Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, we're going to analyze VIX 10 index, volatility 10 index. We're going to do top-down analysis. As you can see, we are on the weekly time frame. So we are going to analyze it to a lower time frame to spot an entry. All right, so all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. Then you must understand that we are going to apply market structure, break and retest. Yeah, market structure and break and retest to analyze this particular pair here. All right, so you can see on the weekly time frame, the market is strongly bearish. As you can see, we have lower highs and lower lows. This is a lower high right here, and this is a lower low. Previous lower low. This is a lower high. This is a lower low here. This is a lower high, and this is a lower low right here, as you can see. All right, so the market is actually consolidating. As you can see on this time frame, it is consolidating after we already had a break of structure at this point. If I bring out the crosshair tool, you'll see that we have a break of structure right here. As you can see, there is a break of structure right here. The bearish candlestick closed below this previous low. Excuse me. All right, so the market is now consolidating, meaning there's a possibility it wants to change direction. It wants to start buying, maybe to go up and create a lower high so that it can continue selling again. Maybe I mean something like this. So this might be the what the market wants to do. Maybe buys up to somewhere here, then start selling again. Okay, so we are not sure of that yet. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Although we've seen some rejections here on this weekly time frame, you've seen some rejections here. These two bullish candlesticks looks like there was a breakout and looks like there's a retest going on right now. So let's go down to the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame, we have this breakout too. Sorry, breakout structure here. This is a breakout structure here at this point. Then the market went up and we have another breakout structure right here at this point. After this, there's been no breakout structure again. Then the market bought. Now considering the last high that was formed here, so there is an obvious change of character at this point. I'm seeing a change of character right here at this point here. Okay, so that's actually a level of resistance that the market created previously. So we had this change of character here. So meaning yesterday's candlestick was actually a pullback to possibly cause the market to continue with the bullish move. Okay, so as it is, we can easily draw a mark this zone here, like where the market is supposed to buy from. Okay, and you can see the way the current daily candlestick is behaving. This indicates some level of consolidation. You see it bought up to this level, also sold down, but now it's just the body of the candlestick is within this zone here. This indicates that there's a consolidation on a much lower time frame. There might be some consolidations on a much lower time frame. So all we have to do now is to go to the 4-hourly time frame, guys. So we go to the 4-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that the last low the market created, which was here. Let's just try to use the fib tool. Mark from this last low the market created before it bought and broke structure, and you can see that that is exactly where we have our golden zone. The golden zone is between the 50% and the 61.8% of the Fibonacci retracement tool. That's what I use. So you can see this zone which we marked is actually in line with the golden zone. And here we had, if you look closely, is a very strong key level in the market, because previously we had some activities here. Market sold from here, market also bought from here, market sold from here, market tried to sell, actually sold from here. This way market tried to sell, and also market also bought from here, market also bought from here. So it's actually a very strong key level in the market. So now the market is back at this same zone. As you can see, the first time it got to this zone on this 4-hourly time frame, it rejected, then went up and still closed bearish on this zone. Now the current candlestick on the 4-hourly time frame is still struggling to it's still reacting on that particular zone, but we are expecting some buys based on what we can see. But we can't just take an entry immediately, so we have to go to a much lower time frame. I'll want to go to the 1 hourly time frame to see what we can get from here. All right, so on the 1 hourly time frame. Okay, meanwhile, if you look at the 4 hourly time frame, you'll see the breakout structure I mentioned earlier. You can see, just look at this high here and this low here, this high here and this low here. Then this where we had that breakout structure. All right, so the market pulled back. All right, and if you look at the structure the market is forming right now, this is like a high, a low, this is a higher low, now this is a higher high. Market coming back, it's coming back to create a higher low at this point. So these are the things that you will need to always check to confirm that the market is trending in a particular direction. Okay, excuse me, that the market is trending in a particular direction, so that you know where to actually focus your energy on. So on the 1 hourly time frame, if you look at this, okay, I can't really spot anything here, because what I'm looking for now is I want to see a change of character, because on the this 1 hourly time frame, you can see the market created lower highs and lower lows as it approached this zone. You can see market sold with lower highs and lower lows, although this lower highs and lower lows will be more obvious on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see until it got down to this zone. All right, so I would want to see a change of character, although you can still enter after a breakout of a consolidation, because there's a consolidation here right now. You can see these candlesticks above here. Around here is where we can mark a zone and wait for the market to break and close above this zone. If the market breaks and closes above this zone, then the next candlestick closes bearish on this zone. You can take a buy from here. But if you want to be conservative, you may want to see the market creating a change of character first, then it pulls back before you think of taking the entry. All right, so but if let's check the 15 minutes time frame, guys. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, if you look at it, you'll see we have if you want to wait for the change of character, then you have to wait for the market to go above this high, because this is a valid lower high the market created. After this high was formed, from here the market sold massively and broke structure here at this point, and this doesn't really look like a good change of character at this point. Sorry, lower high at this point. So this is the only valid lower high that I can confirm we have here on this chart on this 15 minutes time frame. So I want to see the market buying from where it is right now. It has to close above this zone on this 15 minutes time frame, then pulls back to this zone. If the market can just do that for me, like it pulls back to this zone, then I'll be taking an entry from there. So I want to see something like this happening. All right, I want to see something like this. No, take a buy from here. Then the target is going to be based on the daily time frame or the 4 hourly time frame. All right, so if I take an entry from here, let's see what is possible, guys. Let's see what is possible. Market gets back to this zone, I take my entry from there. My TP is going to be somewhere around here. Now you can see that with the minimum lot size, you stand a chance of making about $40, almost $40 profit with the minimum lot size. And mind you can open more positions, more than one position if you have, depending on your account size. If you open 10 positions, maybe increase your lot size depending on your account size. You stand a chance of making up to $1,000 just with this setup. You can make up to $500, $200 with this particular setup. So all you have to do is wait to get the confirmation. Remember, like I said earlier, the confirmation might be you wait for the breakout. Wait for a breakout on the 1 hourly time frame. We have a breakout, a consolidation here, like I showed you guys initially. All these rejections here, as you can see, the first one here, the second one is another one here. If the market can break and close above this level, the one hourly candlestick close above here, then the next one comes back and closes bearish here, doesn't go down, closes bearish on this zone, then it's a chance to take a buy from here. Then you enjoy the buys, you make so much profit. Okay, so this is just a very quick analysis on this particular pair. Mind you, you can go to down to as low as 5 minutes time frame to find an entry. You can even go to as low as the 1 minute time frame to get an entry. All right, the lower the time frame, the most sniper the entry, meaning you'll be trading with the and taking the entry with reduced risk, right? Your stop loss will be very small compared to taking the entry on a higher time frame, like the 4 hourly time frame, even the 1 hourly time frame. All right, but however be the case, ensure you set your stop loss and then trade according to your account size. All right, so let's see how this setup plays out. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but if it plays out before you watch it, then just learn from it. But if it doesn't play out yet, as of the time you're watching, just follow it up. You might be able to make some good profit from this setup. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Meanwhile, registration for the October mentorship, okay, it ended yesterday, but if you have interest, you can just reach out to me. Click on the link in the description of this video. It takes you to my Telegram channel. From there you can reach out to me. My direct contacts are there, WhatsApp and Telegram, but WhatsApp is faster and I'll prefer that. All right, or if you want to register for my private mentorship, you quickly do that. So I have something is coming up soon regarding the private mentorship. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.